Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a lead nurturing automation in Systeme.io quickly and easily. First, log into your Systeme.io account. From the dashboard, click Emails and create an email campaign if you haven't already. Add a series of emails that educate your subscribers, provide value, and introduce your products or services. Next, click Automation and then Rules. Click Create to create a new automation rule. Choose a trigger such as funnel form subscribed or contact created. Now choose the action called subscribe to campaign. Select the lead nurturing email campaign you created earlier. Click Save. Inside your email campaign, schedule your emails using delays so subscribers receive messages over several days or weeks. You can also add additional automation rules to apply tags or move subscribers into different campaigns based on their actions. Finally, submit your opt-in form using a test email address to verify that your lead nurturing sequence starts automatically. That's it. You've successfully created a lead nurturing automation in Systeme.io. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick Systeme.io tutorials, software guides, and online business tips.